Hey guys, I got another quick prep dinner for you. Thank you so much for always wanting to see these. It's awesome and I love sharing them. So check this out. So I went to the farmer's market today. This is some beautiful romaine lettuce that I got. And also in my fridge, I had prepped quinoa and my sauteed chicken, my basic sauteed chicken, which I've showed you guys many times. So the other thing I got from the farmer's market, which is very exciting, are these pickled banana peppers, which are really similar to pepperoncinis. All of this stuff calls for a Greek salad, so that's what we're gonna throw together. So, check this out. So first we're gonna do, so this we're just gonna reheat. I've showed you how I do this many times. I'm gonna reheat the quinoa with a little bit of butter and olive oil. So that'll be that. And then chicken, same thing. I'll chop it up, heat it up with a little bit of butter and olive oil. So we'll do that. So that's that. But first, let's get our salad dressing going because I have fresh garlic that I squeeze into it and I want it to start seasoning the dressing. So let's do that first. So here's a little trick. So a lot of times when you're whisking, the bowl will shake. Here's a little trick. Take a damp dish towel and wrap it around the bottom and it keeps your bowl in place. Little tip that I learned from a pro chef friend. Love that. Okay, cool. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna do about a tablespoon. Great! Let's just pause for a second. Okay, let's continue. Red wine vinegar. Oh boy. So normally what I do is red wine vinegar, and if I'm doing lemon or red wine vinegar, I usually do about half a cup of olive oil. So here's the thing, you want to keep whisking as you pour the olive oil in, so it emulsifies. You don't want to stop whisking. It's also a good arm workout, which I haven't been to the gym in a while, so this is good. So you want to keep that movement of the whisk so it emulsifies. You can see it thickening. That's the dressing getting emulsified. See, it's like thickening like that. That's what you want. Okay, that's pretty perfect right there. So in my garlic press, I have 1 clove of garlic. I'm gonna pop that in. I love using fresh garlic in my salad dressings. It makes such a difference. We're gonna add about half a teaspoon of dried oregano. We are going to add, again, about half a teaspoon of sea salt, 1/4 teaspoon fresh ground black pepper. Perfect. And now we're gonna add about half a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. And that's your dressing. It's so yummy. And also, I love prepping a nice batch of this because then as it stays in the fridge, the garlic just gets more and more intense and the dressing is just so yummy. Okay. You guys, that's good. Okay, so here's the thing. What you could do is, I'm gonna leave the garlic in there because the garlic press really makes it pretty fine. Or you could always pour the dressing through a little strainer and strain out the little bits of garlic and the oregano. I like keeping it in there, so that's what I'm gonna do, but if you want a more kind of refined dressing, you could totally pour it through a little strainer. So that's done. Now we're gonna heat up our chicken and our quinoa and we're gonna plate our salad. It's so easy and quick. Let's do it. Okay, so when I'm making a beautiful salad like this, like a Greek salad, I love to show all the ingredients. I actually don't pre-mix it. So I plate it like this. I put my beautiful romaine lettuce in. I have my peppers, my cucumbers, my tomatoes. These are my beautiful pepperoncini, my pickled banana peppers that are different than pepperoncinis, but they're similar in taste. My feta cheese. Now I'm gonna add some of my olives. So I like to just dab them off a little bit in a paper towel or some kind of dish towel because I don't want them wilting my beautiful lettuce that I spent all this time drying. Okay, great. So now we're gonna top it with our chicken, our beautiful chicken. Okay, great. We're gonna top it with some of our quinoa. I love quinoa. It's got a great pop of extra protein. It's so yummy and delicate. I love it. I cook it with a little bit of my chicken broth to give it some added flavor and nutrients. So good. Okay, great. We're gonna top it with a little bit of pine nuts, toasted pine nuts. So then the other thing I like to do is I don't top it with dressing because I want whoever I'm serving to see how gorgeous it is. So what I do is find like some pretty little glass you guys have. These are these little glasses that my mother gave me, and just serve it with your dressing right on the side so that whoever you're giving it to and your family, friends, whatever, your partner, you serve it like that. They can see the beautiful thing that you created, and then you have your dressing on the side. It all looks perfect, and then they can add it themselves. But this is the finished product. Look at how beautiful this is. Yay, dinner is served. You guys, thank you for hanging out with me. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you know when I put up another video. I'm gonna go eat dinner, and thank you for being here. See you next time.